Today we will learn conversion of units. First we will see how to convert liter into milliliter, and then how to convert milliliter into liter. As we know, 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliters. Convert 4 liters into milliliters. As we know, 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliters. Then 4 liters is equals to 4 into 1000, which is equals to 4000 milliliters. So 4 liters is equals to 4000 milliliters. Now, what is the 6 liters? 6 liters is equals to 6 into 1000 milliliters. So it is 6000 milliliters. Similarly, 9 liters is 9000 milliliters. Now we will convert 4 liters 200 milliliters into milliliters. 4 liter 200 milliliters into milliliter. 1 liter is 1000 milliliters. So here 4 liters 200 milliliters equals to 4 into 1000 milliliter plus 200 milliliter. 4 into 1000 is a 4000 plus 200. This is 4200 milliliters. So 4 liters 200 milliliters is equals to 4200 milliliters. In the same way, if you take 5 liter 250 milliliters, we can convert 5 into 1000 because 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliters and 250 milliliters we will write as it is. Now 5 into 1000 is a 5000 plus 250. These both are in milliliters. These both are in same units. Now 5000 plus 250 together is 5250 milliliters. This is a conversion of liters into milliliters. Now we will learn how to convert milliliters into liters. The conversion of milliliter into liters is done the same way as for grams and kilograms. Let us convert 7000 milliliters into liters. If grams are given, we can convert into kilograms. In the same way, here if millimeters are given, convert it into milliliters are given, convert it into liters by using 1 liter is 10,000 milliliters. So here 7,000 can be written as 7 into 1000 milliliters. As we know, 1000 milliliters is equals to 1 liter. Then we will write 7 into 1 liter. 7 ones are 7. So this is equals to 7 liter. 7,000 milliliters is equals to 7 liters. Convert 2000 milliliters into liters. 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliter. So 2000 liters we are writing as 2 into 1000 liters. Sorry, it is milliliters. Now 1000 milliliters means we can replace it by 1 liter. So 2 into 1 liter, 2 ones are 2 liters. So 2000 milliliters is equals to 2 liter. This is the way to convert milliliter into the meter. So by using the conversions, we can convert from one unit to the other. The standard unit of capacity is liter and milliliter.